Hey there, cozy enthusiasts. Welcome back to my germ-free home. Today, we're diving headfirst into the magical realm of creating the coziest and most relaxing atmosphere right in the heart of your humble abode. Imagine coming home after a long day, kicking off your shoes, and sinking into a cloud of coziness that instantly melts away the stress of the outside world. Don't get it wrong. Your home can be fitted with the latest design and furniture, but it may still not feel like a peaceful abode. Cozy and relaxing are both feelings. Honestly, doesn't it feel cozy and relaxing when you're outside in nature, arms stretched out, the wind touching every part of you in a warm embrace? It's enlightening, inspiring, and most of all, therapeutic. Now, imagine an indoor atmosphere that's something like a natural, warm embrace, where you can find peace and healing. If you're ready to transform your living space into a warm and welcoming oasis, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get cozy, my friends. First up is soft textiles and layers. Soft textiles and layers play a crucial role in making a home feel cozy and relaxing by adding comfort, warmth, and a tactile appeal. Soft textiles, such as plush blankets and throw pillows, provide a tactile comfort that makes your home feel inviting. When you touch these soft materials, it triggers a sensory response that promotes relaxation. Textiles like thick curtains, area rugs, and carpets help insulate a space, both physically and visually. They contribute to a feeling of warmth by preventing drafts and cold surfaces, especially in colder seasons. Layers of textiles add visual interest to a room. Mixing and matching textures, patterns, and colors create a visually pleasing and harmonious environment, contributing to a sense of coziness. Next secret for a cozy and relaxing space is warm lighting. Warm lighting, characterized by soft yellow or amber hues, emits a gentle and inviting glow. This softer light is more flattering and less harsh on the eyes, creating a comforting ambiance. Warm lighting, especially in the evening, mimics the warm tones of natural sunlight during sunset. This helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down, contributing to a relaxed atmosphere. Warm lighting tends to have lower levels of brightness and glare compared to cooler, more intense lighting. This softer illumination reduces eye strain and promotes a sense of ease, making it ideal for relaxation. Using warm lighting strategically to highlight specific areas, such as reading nooks or cozy corners, draws attention to these inviting spaces, creating focal points that contribute to the overall relaxed atmosphere. Warm lighting can be achieved through various fixtures, including table lamps, floor lamps, and wall sconces. These fixtures provide flexibility in terms of placement, allowing you to create cozy pockets of light throughout your home. Next is adding touch of earthly element. Earthly elements, such as plants and natural materials, establish a connection with nature. This biophilic design promotes a sense of well-being and relaxation by bringing the outdoors inside. Adding potted plants or a small indoor garden introduces greenery and life to your home. Plants not only improve air quality, but also create a calming visual appeal, fostering a sense of tranquility. Incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, and clay into your decor. Furniture made from natural materials provides a warm and grounding feeling, contributing to the overall coziness of the space. Displaying fresh flowers in your home brings a burst of color and a natural fragrance. The beauty and scent of flowers can uplift your mood and add a touch of elegance to your surroundings. If space allows, consider incorporating a small water feature, like a tabletop fountain or a fish tank. The sound of flowing water can have a calming effect and create a tranquil atmosphere. Integrate textiles with natural textures, like woven baskets, jute rugs, or linen curtains. Decorate with rocks, crystals, or geodes to introduce earth elements. These can serve as decorative pieces or be arranged in a way that brings a touch of nature into your home. The next tip to make a home feel cozy and relaxing is to add a touch of personalized decor. Personalized decor items such as family photos, mementos, or handmade crafts create an emotional connection to your space. Surrounding yourself with things that hold sentimental value contributes to a sense of comfort and relaxation. Your home should be an extension of your personality. Incorporating items that showcase your interests, hobbies, and preferences helps to establish a unique identity for your living space, making it feel more like you. Displaying photos and souvenirs from your travels or significant life events brings positive memories into your daily life. This constant reminder of joyful moments contributes to a positive and uplifting environment. Hanging custom or DIY artwork adds a personal touch to your walls. Whether it's a painting, a collage, or framed sketches, the presence of unique art pieces reflects your creativity and makes the space feel more intimate. Personalized decor extends beyond visual elements. Consider using personalized scents, such as candles with your favorite fragrance or essential oils that evoke specific memories, to add an olfactory dimension to your home. Use your favorite colors in your decor. Whether it's through accent pieces, wall colors, or textiles, incorporating colors that you love creates a visually pleasing and personalized environment. Another good way to make a home feel cozy and relaxing is with the use of aromatherapy. Use calming scents such as lavender, chamomile, and eucalyptus to create a soothing atmosphere. These scents are known for their stress-relieving properties and can help promote relaxation. Invest in home fragrance diffusers, whether they are essential oil diffusers, reed diffusers, or plug-in diffusers. These devices disperse scents throughout the room, enveloping your space in a comforting aroma. Scented candles are a classic way to add fragrance to your home. Choose candles with scents that appeal to you, such as vanilla, cinnamon, or sandalwood. The flickering flame also adds to the cozy ambiance. Place bowls of potpourri or sachets in key areas of your home. These can be filled with dried flowers, herbs, or spices that release pleasant scents, creating a subtle and long-lasting fragrance. Change scents with the seasons to enhance the overall ambiance. For example, opt for floral scents in spring, citrus in summer, warm spices in fall, and evergreen or pine in winter. This creates a connection between your home environment and the time of year. Choose scents that resonate with you personally. Whether it's a nostalgic fragrance from your past, a scent associated with positive memories, or simply a fragrance you find pleasing, personalizing the aromas in your home enhances the cozy and relaxing feel. You'll agree that soft music and sounds helps to make a home cozy and relaxing. Soft music or calming sounds have the power to reduce stress and anxiety. Gentle melodies or nature sounds can create a tranquil environment, helping you unwind after a hectic day. Use soft music or sounds as a background ambiance. Whether it's instrumental music, classical tunes, or the sound of ocean waves, having a subtle backdrop adds a layer of tranquility to your living space. Music has the ability to set the mood for different activities. Upbeat tunes can energize you during the day, while slower melodies or nature sounds can create a peaceful atmosphere in the evening, signaling that it's time to relax. Incorporate soft music into daily rituals. Whether it's playing gentle tunes during meals or having calming sounds as part of your bedtime routine, establishing these rituals enhances the cozy and comforting feel of your home. Soft music or sounds are often used in mindfulness and meditation practices. Incorporating these elements into your home creates a serene environment conducive to relaxation and introspection. Decluttering your home is actually the first step in keeping a cozy and relaxing home. Removing excess items creates visual calmness. A clutter-free space allows your eyes to rest and promotes a sense of order, contributing to a more serene environment. A decluttered space often means more physical space. This can lead to a more comfortable and functional layout, making it easier to move around and reducing feelings of congestion. Clutter is associated with stress. A tidy space reduces visual chaos and eliminates the mental burden of dealing with clutter, promoting a more relaxed state of mind. A clutter-free home makes it easier to find what you need, streamlining your daily routine. This efficiency reduces stress and contributes to a more relaxed atmosphere. At my germ-free home, you will find all the best tips to clean and maintain a cozy and relaxing home. Do well to check out our website and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our home improvement videos.